how to download YouTube video in Android Gallery without any application. So without application, if you want to download YouTube videos in your Android's gallery, then first you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you have updated your YouTube application. So open up your Play Store, search for YouTube, and if you have an update, simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, you can simply go back and you can open up your YouTube application. Once you open your YouTube, now you can simply choose a video or anything that you would like to download. So you can simply scroll down and choose a video that you would like to download. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, now here you will have a download option, right? Simply tap on that download and it will start the download process. So if you simply go and turn off your Wi-Fi or your internet connection after the download, so before downloading, don't turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Just simply wait for the download, and once it's downloaded, simply turn off your mobile data, and then you can open up your YouTube application. Once you open your YouTube, now here you can see that you will have that download. So you can simply tap on the three dots which is on the right side, and from here you can delete from the downloads. But if you want to view the video offline, then you will have this kind of interface. You can simply view that from here. So if you want to download the YouTube videos, then what you can do is simply go for your profile, turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, and then go for your profile. And once you're here in the profile, you can simply go for your videos, and under your videos here you will have your videos, right? So you can simply tap on the three dots which is on the right side, and from here you will have save to device option. So tap on save to device and your video will be saved to your Android's gallery. So that's how you can download YouTube videos in Android's gallery without any application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.